Hi there, and welcome to Skartio. In this video, we're going to learn how to set up specification groups for your products. Specification groups help organize important product details, like fabric, fit, or care instructions, into structured sections. This gives your customers a clear and easy way to review product specs before making a purchase. Let's see how to create a specification group. First, go to the Catalog menu and click on the Product submenu. In the sidebar, you'll see the Specification Groups tab. Click on it to open the Specification Groups section. To create a new specification group, click the Add Group button. This opens the Add Group form. Now enter the group attribute name. For example, if you're selling clothing, you might create a group called Fabric Details. You can then add a short description like information about the material composition and texture. Once that's filled in, click the Add button to save it. And that's it. You've successfully created a new specification group. In the next video, we'll walk through how to attach both options and specification groups to a base category. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.